The way of love. If I speak with human eloquence and angelic ecstasy but don't love, I'm nothing but a creaking rusty gate. If I speak of God's word with power revealing all his mysteries and making everything plain as day, and if I have faith that says to a mountain, jump, and it jumps, but I don't love, I am nothing. If I give everything I own to the poor and even go to the stake burned as a martyr, but I don't love, I've gotten nowhere. So no matter what I say, what I believe, what I do, I am bankrupt without love. Love never gives up. Love cares more for others than for self. Love doesn't want what it doesn't have. Love doesn't strut, doesn't have swelled head, doesn't force itself on others, isn't always me first, doesn't fly off the handle, doesn't keep score of the sins of others, doesn't revel when others gravel, takes pleasure in the flowering of truth, puts up with anything, trusts God always, always looks for the best, never looks back, but keeps going to the end. Love never dies, inspired speech will be over someday, praying in tongues will end, understanding will reach its limit. We know only a portion of the truth, and what we say about God is always incomplete. But when the complete arrives, the incomplete will be canceled. When I was an infant at my mother's breast, I gurgled and cooed like an infant. When I grew up, I left those infant ways for good. We don't yet see things clearly. We are squinting in a fog, peering through the mist. But it won't be long before the weather clears, the sun shines bright. We'll see it all then, see it all clearly as God sees us, knowing him directly as he knows us. But for right now, that completeness we have three things to do to lead us towards consummation. Trust steadily in God, hope unswervingly, love extravagantly. And the best of these three is love.